Hi everybody, welcome back. This is the third session of Table Tennis Ireland's TT at Home. It's the third session of 4. I'm Rachel and this is Tom. Give us a wave, Tom. And we're going to be taking you through session 3 today. So, like our other sessions, we're going to start by showing you an equipment list, give the video a pause, go gather everything you need for the session, and then we'll start. So, let me share my screen. So, this is the equipment list. Can you see that okay, Tom?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so you're going to need your table tennis bat and balls. You're going to need your creative table tennis bat, balls and net like you have before. Try and use something different that you might not have used last week. You're going to need access to a kitchen table or a desk or any table that you've got, but really the bigger the better with the table. Try and get as big a table as you can. Okay, and you're going to need 4 pieces of A4 paper that we used last week, plus a pen. And the last thing is plenty of space. Make sure you're not near any furniture, your dogs and your cats aren't anywhere in sight. You don't want to trip over them. So just make sure you have plenty of space there. Okay, so pause the video, go gather your bits and bobs. Okay, now I'm just going to go through the answers to last week's questions. So hopefully you went away and you had a look at the answers to those yourself. So I'm just going to tell you the answers now. So the first question I wanted you to find out was, number 1, how many serves does each player serve consecutively? So in a match, each player serves 2 serves, and then they switch and the other person serves. Okay, the only deviation from this is if it goes to 10 all, then it's 1 serve each per person. Okay? Question 2, what is the name of the World Table Tennis Governing Body? So it's the ITTF, and that stands for the International Table Tennis Federation. So hopefully you found that one out on Google. And the third question, who is the female and male world number 1 and which countries are they from? So the number 1 male player at the moment is Fan Zhendong, and the number 1 female player is Cheng Meng, and they are both from China. Okay, hopefully you had a good go at those questions and you got a couple of them right. Okay, so now we're going to start our session. So I'm going to hand over to Tom now, and he is going to take us through our warm-up. Over to you, Tom.
Hi guys, to start with today, I'm going to start with a light jog, just to loosen up. So we'll start. Make sure to shake out your arms, your legs, nothing too intense. We'll do this for 20 or 30 seconds. Okay, now we're going to go into bum kicks. So raise your legs behind you. This. Similar timings again. Okay, now we're going to go into high knees. You should get those knees up as close to 90 degrees as you can. Okay, now back to jogging. Okay, now we're going to move into jump rope. You don't need a rope for this. So start, pretend you've got a rope. Almost there. And now back to jogging. Again, nothing too intense. Make sure you're shaking out those arms. Okay, now we're moving into jumping jacks. Make sure to get your arms right above your head. 10 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back to a light jog. And stop. So now we're going to move into some stretching. So we're going to start with lunges. So we're coming down and up. And change the legs. Down and up. Make sure you're getting your back leg as close to the ground as you can, but not touching the ground. Keeping your upper body straight. I'm doing 10 more of these. Four, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back to a light jog. Okay, now for the last exercise, we're going to start stretching our hamstrings, the back of our legs. So we're coming down, touching our toes, and back up, down, and touching our toes. And up. Five more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, thanks guys.
Great, thanks, Tom.